Okay, today we're doing a Kool-Aid challenge.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! No!
Drinking 15 of these in 15 minutes to see if we fucking barf or not. So we're all gonna try and finish these the fastest time possible. See, we got quite the stack here. Oh, you're gonna lose them. There's no more kiwis? Oh yeah, we only bought one box of kiwis.
So you just substitute it for another.
Give me a fucking kiwi, I didn't want it.
Are we all set?
Yeah. Okay, rules. You have to drink at least one a minute. Yeah, you have to use a straw. You have to undo the straw and put it in, you know, drink.
You have to use a straw?
Kool-Aid.
Yeah,
you have to. Yeah.
You have to
That's
use all 15 straws.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, this is way harder, man. Fuck!
Oh, it's not on my eye.
Get him down. 1 for Alex. 1 for Josh. 1 for AJ.
Fuck! Damn it! Okay. Oh fuck, my stash is gonna fall over. No way you can do this in 2 minutes, Chad.
Oh, the burps. Ah!
I've done 3.
Those straws are a hassle, eh?
No way I'm fucking doing this, man. I'm just gonna start sipping them now, man. Slow and steady wins the race.
I think I'm on 7 or 8.
Oh.
You gonna be alright?
Don't stop.
I'm not stopping.
Keep getting it down. Dude, Alex is on a roll, man. Yo, Josh and Alex. Alex is
fucking cunt! Are you feeling it? It's like fucking cement.
you can feel it in your stomach?
Yeah.
Alright?
Oh.
Oh, AJ, Alex, you good?
Oh man. Come on, Alex.
You got 2 left.
You got 2 more. Come on, Alex.
Josh,
you
you
can do it.
good?
Keep afterwards, you.
Yo, Josh, come on. You can do it. You guys can do it.
Oh, 3 more.
Keep going. Keep going.
Alright. It's a lot of liquid. I have to piss so bad.
My diabetes is gonna.
Yeah. The diabetes that the doctor said I almost have, I'm gonna have now.
Basically, what the doctor said.
Oh, there's still great Kool-Aid in my eye. It's a lot of liquid, alright?
Oh! Yo, it's coming up. You good?
Oh, fuck. I can't watch him puke. I'm gonna puke. You alright, Alex?
Come on, Josh. Come on, man. You can do it.
You alright?
Yeah.
If you're
Oh,
done.
we only did 5 minutes.
I hope I don't puke, man.
Does it smell bad in here?
Dude, he's still going, man. He's a trooper.
Yeah, does it smell bad?
No. Dude, he's a fucking trooper. He's still drinking.
Yeah, that was wonderful. Yeah.
You alright, Alex? It's a lot of liquid. Are you gonna call it? How many do you have left?
He's got 1 left. He's got the fastest time
Fuck, I did not.
for the straws and the puke.
Time.
Man, fastest time.
Steve, get back in here.
Oh, dude, no, man.
Come on, Alex. Alex just finished, guys. He
There's no way.
was fast as fuck. Get drinking.
Josh, are you done or are you out?
Yeah, I'm done.
He's done? Alright, yeah, that's disqualified. He didn't finish all his.
Dude, you're good, man. There's no... Oh, dude.
Yo, you good?
I think so.
Like, you know.
Dude, I'm done, man. That's it. I'm just sipping on this one for the rest.
Alright.
That's it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 left. So I went through 7 or...
Josh had 3 left. I'm gonna finish them all. I can guarantee you that.
I don't think so.
I have a hard time believing you, Jack.
Dude, I'm gonna do it. I can finish all 15.
You said 2 minutes.
I don't know about that. It took you guys a long time.
now. He said 2 minutes.
All right, you guys are still going?
I turned back. Just ask you if you're okay.
It's maybe or no. Are you done?
Underneath your arm, like when it came out. Dude, I have to shit. Like I don't have to piss. I have to shit. Like a motherfucker right now. See, I think every challenge I did, I threw up.
Josh, are you puking? We gotta capture it on camera.
He's going to pee.
Oh.
I'll go ask him.
Oh no, I just started shaking.
Josh, are you going to piss? Okay, yeah, he's going to pee. He's going to pee, boys. He's not going to puke. Turns out he's puking back there. Finger fucks himself so he pukes. Oh, dude.
I'm recording.
Okay.
I'll give you a puff, man.
You recording?
Yeah.
All right, Jack. Do you accept the challenge?
I do.
You do accept?
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Time!
Oh, he's fucking strong, man.
Yeah. Oh, he can play. He's done. That's it. That's it. He's done.
He complained!
Oh, you're only a minute and a half in. Nice.
And it's gonna hit him.
Yeah. It hits you like a fucking freight train, Jack. Feels like you just.
I'm still going strong.
You're on your 6th one right now, eh?
Until this one hits.
Yeah. Wait. I was going strong too until it hit. I'm my 7th.
Okay.
At this moment, he realized
He fucked up.
This shit's messy. Good thing we didn't do this inside.
Yeah, I told you. Good call on H's part, right?
12 mics.
Oh, fuck.
Did it hit ya?
Oh.
Oh, shit! Oh, look at his face! It hit him! It hit him so good!
He was talking all that good shit a second ago.
Yeah, what happened?
He was talking shit.
I can finish this no fucking problem, bro.
Keep going, Jack. You said no one's gonna puke this. Doing this, so.
Oh, fuck. You guys weren't exaggerating. It was like a brick wall.
Yeah, dude.
He'll
Wait
probably.
till you throw up.
Props for Alex, man. Props for Alex.
He's drunk. I don't want to watch.
Get it in.
Dude, it's gotta come up if I want to continue.
Yeah, no, if you puke, you feel way better.
I'm gonna try and get another 2 down. Get it done. Get it over with. Oh, 1 left.
One left, man!
Come on, Jack! You can fucking do it! You can fucking do it! You can do it, Jack! Come on, Jack! You can do it! You got 3 minutes and 45 seconds, Jack! You can do it! You can fucking bloody well fucking do it, you wanker!
Great. Gracias. Dead? Dead on arrival? Fall boy?
Oh, yeah, he's
Puking!
He leaking! He leaking!
Oh, I can't.
Oh, let's cry!
Oh, it's all blue!
Three! Can you go 4 beat? Can you go for the 4 beat?
At least you guys got to puke it out. Why don't you just sit and...
Are you done? I'm the winner.
That.
I'm the winner.
How do you feel?
Oh, I feel pretty good. My parents are gonna be proud.
Oh my god.
If there's any Kool-Aid tournaments, let me know.
How do you feel?
I feel like, I didn't puke and it's just sitting in my stomach.
Get the fuck out of here,
I
boy.
feel great because I just took a shit before Jack went, so. You can fucking bloody well fucking do it, you wanker!